all the attendees present here for the industrial visit. So hope you all are excited. A very warm welcome to senior dignitaries who are presented here. And firstly, I want to welcome Mr. Harvinder Singh Sohan and Ms. Aarti, who is assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Very welcome, sir. And lastly, I want to welcome my team who is presented here from SimbaQuartz. Mr. Manjoor Singh Chandra, CTO of the company, and Mr. Dilsheet Singh, Vice President in the operations, and in SimbaQuartz. Without wasting much time, I just want to call Mrs. Dilsheet sir, and they will overview you about the company. And if you do have any questions, you can ask him.
First of all, welcome to SimbaQuartz. And SimbaQuartz is basically a digital marketing and IT services company. So I will tell you a brief about SimbaQuartz. What we do, we serve clients locally as well as globally. We provide services like digital marketing, SEO, graphic designing, UI UX designing, website designing, mobile app, web app, SaaS products, and much more. Have you ever heard about these types of services before? Yes. Okay. Please tell me, what is UI UX designing? Anyone from you? What is UI UX designing? Anyone from you who knows what is UI UX? Yes. किसने बोला? Your good name? Sorry? Antasham. Very good. Antasham, what is UI UX? Yes, it's right to use user experience. Why we need UI UX design?
User interface basically from app में जो हम लोग इंटरफेस होता है GUI होता है वो बोलते हैं यूजर इंटरफेस और यूजर एक्सपीरियंस जो हम लोग यूज करते हैं तो हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम ना आए वो
परफेक्ट इसको हम डिजाइन करते हैं क्यों ये क्वेश्चन है मेरा कोई आइडिया है इसके बारे में यूजर फ्रेंडली यस ऑफ कोर्स यूजर इंटरफेस एंड यूएक्स ट्रेनिंग इसके लिए करते हैं कि हम इसको डिजाइन करने के लिए लेकिन इसकी जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है हम डायरेक्टली कोडिंग भी तो कर सकते हैं When anyone creates a website, जब हमारे पास कोई कस्टमर कोई क्लाइंट आता है ठीक है जो वेबसाइट डिजाइन करता है When anyone creates a website or web app, he or she needs a UI UX design for that. अब UI UX design की need है. Suppose a client come to us and हमें just example लेते हैं. Suppose हम एक curriculum मिल जाते हैं and हम requirement देते हैं अपनी के we need a table and shopkeeper वो table बना के मैं दे देता हूँ.
Come here. So I think I should communicate in English, right? Is that okay for you? Right? All right. So, what a journey. Thank you so much for coming over here. I'm one of the co-founders of SimbaQuartz, where I lead technology at all fronts. And I also lead the research and development department. That is one of my core expertise and I love it. I always used to be a night out at my college. Always explored new technologies. So I carried forward that legacy of SimbaQuartz also. So we have a team dedicated which works on R&D, and I also lead that small team. Alright. Okay. So generally my sessions are very interactive because people, whenever someone visits this company, so I expect them to ask as many questions as they want. As time is the most expensive thing, and you are spending it right over here. So I would like you to use it as an opportunity to ask any questions related to your career or related to what we do at SimbaQuartz.
Any software or web development apps. So while testing is going on, how maintenance accuracy is going to get? Like, can you explain how maintenance accuracy?
Okay, maintenance accuracy.
Yes, sir.
So there's a thing called user acceptance testing. So while we deploy the application, so we have certain set of users, right, which we have assigned and they approve those features, right? And through whatever they score, and we judge that is the application going to be deployed or not. So it is one of a kind of black box testing, right? And talking about the maintenance, so we follow APM tools, application performance monitoring tools, right? We have signed up for few of tools. One of them is SnapPyFlow, right? Which gives regular updates about the application. Let's say your for example, there is a Black Friday sale going on, right? And your marketing campaign is going on. So we have those tools in our hand which can predict that yes, your traffic might go up. You might want to talk to your DevOps engineer about it, and you might want to scale at your application, right? So these kind of tools are available, although they are very expensive, but if you want your application, if your business is good, then you can definitely afford it. Right?
App development or web development.
So I mean, technology is never barrier at SimbaQuartz, but the major technologies that currently that we are using are, let's say, if we talk about web applications, right? We generally prefer the React, right? React is sometimes Angular, we also get React is that is a general framework that we use for our front-end engineering part, and the main stack that we use for the development of microservices are the Node.js and Spring Boot. And there are other open source software, ERP software. So ERP is called Enterprise Resource Planning. So we have open source ERP software that we customize for our clients who work in the domains like manufacturing domain or service domain. So I mean, right, exactly. You're correct. So that's a good start, very good start. The system design starts with the requirements, right? So the business owner comes to me and says yes, I want to manage my whole business on the ERP, and there are going to be a lot of people coming into my system and a lot of people going out of the system. There will be people chatting in the real time, right? There will be people, let's say, video calling each other, right? And there will be people, there will be automatically messages coming in from WhatsApp, right?
Internal products for the company. So SimbaQuartz delivers many softwares to all over the world, but here we develop products which we will use inside the company. So you will see a few of the secure things which you must forget. ठीक है? internal job काम कर रहे हैं. कुछ चीजें आप जो बना रहे हैं. One of them is Okay, so a few things we're building. One of them is, which we are recently focusing very much on, is the RFID system. Anyone, what is RFID? RFID. So you see the cards, you tap the cards, you mark the attendance. Okay, that system. Currently we had a fingerprint system, but now we are shifting to our own thing. So the major reason was to save the data on the cloud. So whenever you go, like you do your fingerprint or you do your card, we have many e-beetle and stuff. The data will be saved in that machine. So to retrieve the data, you will manually need to open the machine and get the data. So what we now did is, we'll just punch, I'll show you one of the card, and the data will be stored in the cloud. So this is one of the card which we temporarily made. So जाओ घर आ जाओ. Okay. Then we have integrated circuit inside it. So around 13.23 megahertz frequency of radio waves.
Definitely you should study it. And then we go to digital marketing part. It's kind of everything over one. Graphics, websites, software, digital everything Development phase, yeah, because we have two types of development. One is simple that we use that for it's not totally drag and drop, but yes, the efforts become very less. 30%, 40% of the layout bana hai, then we put in the content, we graphically present karna hai, with quality, responsiveness, mobile view, everything we work on that. सब पे काम करके then इसकी टेस्टिंग भी होती है, टेस्टिंग करके भी then we deliver SDLC पूरा फेज कंप्लीट करते हैं। अगर आपको डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट करनी है तो you can start from the platform also, you can start from the coding. Platform is like थोड़ा easier way of doing it.
Front-end or front-end, if we talk about new technology in Python, we use frameworks like Django and Fast, and WordPress we are using for making the website, and for that we are using PHP for the Java,
CSV. Western system. वैक्सीन सिस्टम
ਕਿਹੜਾ
वैक्सीन सिस्टम
ਬੈਸਟ ਐਂਡ ਅਸਿਸਟੈਂਸ
ਕੀਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਬੋਲੀ ਨਾ
No, ma'am. Some of them from the MCA department, and some of them are the BTech second sem and BTech fourth sem.
ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਵਾਲਾ
ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ
ਰਿਸ਼ਵ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਖੜਨ ਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਖੜਨ ਦੇ
unheard in India, and one is WordPress that everybody is mostly familiar, and others are Shopify, and there are OpenCart and so हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स अलग अलग विंग्स यूज़ करते हैं and
आप हमारे साथ आए यहाँ
I'm from HR department.
ओके